So the first thing I do to my wigs before applying it on my head is using the Gots to Be Glued Freeze Spray on the hairline. I just use a fine tooth comb or a brush to smooth back the baby hairs so they will not be in the way when I'm putting on the wig. As you can see, none of the baby hairs are exposed, so this will allow me to put on my wig very easy. So this is how the hairline should look after you smooth it back. I did tint my lace so it can be closer to my skin tone. And as you can see, there's a clip in the back. And I also use the adjustable straps, and I like to clip those two together just so it can be more secure. I then take that hair clip and I put it underneath my braids in the back. By using the freeze spray on the hairline and brushing it back, it's just made the hair very sleek in the front, and it's just going to allow you to apply the lace with such ease. So if you notice, there is a white residue that is on the left side of my hairline. I've already applied 3 or 4 layers, very thin layers of the Ghost Bond glue onto my hairline. I love to allow the adhesive to get very clear so I can avoid that nasty white residue or any clumpiness that will be underneath my lace. I always grab a rat tail comb and use it to press into my scalp because I found out that using your fingers, sometimes the oil can transfer from your fingertips to your lace, and we just don't want that. So now I'm going to move on over to the right side of my wig. I know you guys are probably thinking like, Miranda, you did not blend, you did not melt that lace on the left side, but I still have to cut the excess lace and take care of the ear tabs. I just like working from like the center to the ears just to make sure everything is in its appropriate spot. I am now going to take a few drops of the Ghost Bond glue and apply it to the right side of my head. I try my hardest not to apply a lot of glue because the more glue, the messier, and I want this to be as clean as possible. To smooth out the lace glue, I love using the popsicle stick. It just allows the lace glue to glide along the hairline and you will not get those annoying lumps and clumps. Once that adhesive is all dry and clear, we're going to take the clip out and we're going to pull the lace down onto the glue. Now back to the left side, I'm going to just take a few drops of the glue and I'm going to tack down the sides and the edges. Now it is time for that annoying ear flap. This part honestly gives me anxiety because I feel like you have to cut up at the right angle in order for the sideburn to lay down just right to have the realistic look, and I feel like it's the part that keeps the lace down in the front. So I put my hair in a ponytail to the back so the long strands can be out of my face, so I can pay very close attention to the baby hairs, which is my favorite part. So I just take that rat tail comb and I go in on my edges. I am honestly obsessed with baby hair. Even when I wear my natural hair, I have to fleek out my edges. So I took my hair out of the ponytail and I continue to work on the hairline. I sometimes use a razor to thin out the baby hairs. This is a 24-inch Brazilian straight lace frontal wig from my Jalia collection. As you can see, the hair is very shiny and sleek. I then take the Got to Be Glued freeze spray and just spray it on top of my wig just so all of the flyaways can stay down. And this is the finished look. I am literally obsessed with this hair, these baby hairs, and this look overall. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.